Okay, so the Riot stock today, this is day two of us kind of reviewing this stock. It's still trading upward as you can see. When we began talking about it on yesterday, it was at about 9.50 or so, and it was up 50 cents on today. As you can see this morning, it's up over $11 so far this morning. And on yesterday, if you may remember from the live stream that we had, we talked about the VWAP, these top three lines and so forth. I called this one a light purple, but I call it pink today. This pink line here, it's dark purple line here, and then the yellow line that's here. As you can see, the stock is now starting to trade between the dark purple line and the pink line that's here. That's where we want it to be, but it has to maintain trading up in between these areas if it's going to, if we consider it as continuing to go upward and trading up. So we have some different indicators that's showing us that it's moving upward. You have the MACD, MACD here, which is the moving average convergence divergence, and then you have the RSI, which is your relative strength index. This here is volume. Volume is basically kind of like the amount of people trading the stock and so forth, one way or the other, whether they're trading it and buying it or trading it and trying to short it, which we'll talk about at another time. But for right now, we're only going to focus on stocks that are moving upward and gaining in their price and so forth. So as you can see, it's kind of here around this 11.13, 11.10 area. Want to see if it's going to continue to push up or not. For me, I already traded the stock and already just took a profit on it this morning. I do what's called a stop loss or stop limit order. So meaning since the stock was up at 11.57 earlier on, I set a stop limit order price at 10.95. So meaning if the stock came down at any point to 10.95 or below 10.95, the stock would sell for me and I would just take the profit at that point. So that's just what I chose to do, not something that you have to choose to do. And keep in mind that you look at stocks from three different perspectives. More so, you can look at it from the day trading, which is buying and selling a stock within the same day. You can look at it from the swing trading perspective, which I'll go out quickly and see. I go back to 20 days as I like to go to. And as you can see, we talked about the other day, it started at about 318, but this shows just for right now 405, and it's gone from 405 over the last 20 days all the way up to 1157 was the high today. Again, you don't have to get out of the stock. The stock is still doing well, it's going up, so there's no reason to get out per se. It's all about your perspective. If you're a day trader, you buy and sell within the same day. If that's your purpose for that day. Swing traders, you keep the stock as long as it's trending up. And long-term investors, of course, you just keeping the stock period because you believe in that company. You believe it'll continue to grow and go up as well, but just from a longer term perspective. So just keep those things in mind, but just wanted to show you the growth that it's seeing on today. It's continuing to go up in general, but it looks like it's kind of slowing down just a bit right now. But overall, it's still up on the day, and it's up overall over the last 20 days or so. So just have that in mind and have a great day. I'm going to end the live here and have a great day.